Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can contract Facebook support for your advertising any kind of issues. So let's get started. First of all, I will click this link and I will put this link to my video description. You can check that from there. Just click on it and then change it for the issues you are having. You can put here, I want to know my question answer. Okay, next step, hacked asset, verified payment method, something else. Okay, and selecting my ad account from here. Alright, okay, you can select any issue from here, set up on and implement pixel. Let me load more. Claim already bad credit, view or change, set up and implement pixel, add a remove payment method active. Okay, let's start with this one. Okay, now we can contact support. Click on contact support, then we will put here, hi, I want to know one thing, anyone is here. Okay, so all here, all perfect. Now we will put my one email address, access.com, and start chatting, and we will see start chatting from Facebook. Okay, okay, you will see we will get a message from Facebook on here, and this is how we can contract Facebook live support. And if we click on start chat, okay, you can see we have got already started. Did you get the problem? Did you get the help? Yes. Hi. Anyone is here? We remember you are trying to message, but this automated message we only support direct in certain steps. Okay, let me contract them with one of my issues. Okay, this is how you can contract Facebook support. Okay, network is a little bit slow, that's why. Okay. Shodeep. Okay, let me search. Okay, let me can I use these images for add copy and need human help. Okay, maybe they are right now busy, that's why they are saying that we may use your email address or phone number to contact you and keep up the updated about your request. Our chat support calls may be recorded. Okay, so they should be reply here also, but this time they are not replying here. Maybe their representative are so much below, but I have talked with them for support too many times. So if your Facebook if your ad account is hacked or any kind of issue, you can contact with support. You can see Rian has joined our conversation. Okay, fine, that's really cool. Hello Rian, how are you? You are welcome. I want to start advertising my weight loss program. Can I use this type of images for ads? So I'm just sending my all curious question to get the support. Okay, copy. Use. Okay, let's see what's it. Okay, Rian is replied. Thanks for sharing images. Can I connect over Atom? Phone is not please call me 00131972197. so they want to make a call to make this easy for both sides, and I will show you how they solve this issue for me. Let's see, they will definitely contract on phone. So I'm waiting for call from Meta. So this is how you can contract with Facebook live support. Okay, so if they call you, you can tell your problem to them and you will get solved. So this is how you can contract Meta support for your any kind of issues, like your ad account problem, your hacked ad account, or rejected or restricted ad account. So this is how you can contract. So in this video, that's all, and if you have any kind of questions, ping me on comment and I will definitely try to help you. Thank you. Bye bye.